Here's how you can make a chai Biscoff kulfi. Oh wait, not kulfi. Chai Biscoff cookie.
In a small saucepan, simmer butter with black tea and leave it in the fridge to solidify. In a mixing bowl, add brown sugar, your black tea butter mixture, an egg, a splash of vanilla, Biscoff spread, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cardamom powder, and cinnamon. Then add your AP flour and mix. Saran wrap it and leave it in the fridge for about an hour to harden. Make little cookie balls, add this to your baking tray and slightly press, then you want to put this in the oven at 335 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they cool and harden, drizzle on Biscoff spread and enjoy.
Wow, it's almost like I'm eating chai with a bit of that nice crisp layer of the cookie on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. I'm not much of a baker. I honestly don't like baking in general. It's just a bit too tedious. You gotta be so precise with the measurements, and that's why the cookbook that's coming out is gonna be about no measurements. But sometimes being precise pays off because this works. Oh, I just need some milk. Oof. Oh, that hits the spot. Now that's how you start a cheat day. And also, I thought eating black tea would be a bit weird, but you honestly don't even taste it. It's not crunchy at all. It just blends right in. I was debating on straining the butter from the black tea and then putting it in the fridge, but honestly, you don't need to do that. I think I'm giving this a 9.2 out of 10. It's definitely up there.